friends, welcome to my channel JaswiArts. Today I am going to show you how to make paper crafts. Dancing bunny. In this video, I am going to teach you very simple, easy steps for beginners and kids. If you are new to my channel, you will find all arts and crafts, paintings, designing works and all activities and skill stuff. So do subscribe and press bell icon for more fun stuff. We will be happy and work harder to create more fun stuff. Do encourage us. Share this video with friends. We will be happy for your support. Please do comment and give suggestions. If you like the video, please do subscribe. To see more related videos, please look in the description and channel list. Meet you again in next video. Bye bye. See you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel JaswiArts. Thanks for watching. Bye.